It all started with the humble beginning sometime in 2005 with a factory in Nanhai with the focus to design and manufacture easy-to-assemble quality home and living lifestyle furniture for overseas markets. Our products program consists of metal, glass with panel combinations furniture products, home and living lifestyle furniture for overseas markets such as desks, shelving, audio, video cabinets, coffee and side table, vanity desk, kitchen and laundry shelving, simple storage bench, functionable storage system, office and game chairs including gaming desk, utility racks. These are some of our products. The Golden Group of companies today has expanded with state-of-art manufacturing facilities, production capacity space of over 30,000 square meters, including a full-fledged merchandise showroom with an efficient workforce of over 100 plus staff from designing, technical planning, materials processing, manufacturing, quality control and efficient marketing staff for global markets exports, with strict in-house quality control including production management. Golden Group Products has met global market regulatory audits as well as QC standards qualifications from Walmart, Amazon, Disney, FEMA, BSCI, FSC, as well as EN 12521, 12520, and 1335, including Chemical Requirement Standard, REACH, and EPA. Golden Group today has collaborated well with our partners to more than 80 countries on GR, ODM, as well as OEM merchandises. These are some of the countries been exported to: Europe, Latin America, USA, Canada, EC, Oceania, Middle East and Asia, including Japan and ASEAN countries region. Have us on your next visit Ramadan. It would be our pleasure to meet you soon.